Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to pin a comment on Instagram. So if you have any post or reel on Instagram, you can pin comments on Instagram by using this feature of Instagram. First you need to open that particular reel, video or post in which you have lots of comment, and you need to open that for comment section. Now after opening that comment section, you need to select that particular comment which you want to pin. Like if I want to pin this comment, I will click long press on that particular comment, and after clicking long press on that particular comment, you can see that this type of interface will be open. Now you need to click on the pin section. It will show it will pin. Now this comment has been pinned at the top of the your Instagram reel, video or post, and it will show at the top of your post. So this is the way to post or pin comment on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.